Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show y'all a little recipe today that it has just been around forever, and some of you may have had this growing up, but if not, listen, if this is a new recipe for you, honey, you got to try this one. It's chocolate gravy. You heard me right. With just a few ingredients, we can come up with something that is just delicious. I've got me some sugar, some flour, Hershey's cocoa, little milk, butter, and vanilla, and that's all you need. So I'm going to start out with a cup of sugar. Now we're just going to mix all of our dry ingredients together, and then we're going to cook it on the stove. Alright, cup of sugar. We're going to need a little bit of flour because that's what's going to thicken it up and make it a good old gravy. Set that to the side over there. Now we just need a 1/4 cup of flour. And this is just all-purpose flour. That's all I got in there. A little white lily. My fancy little canisters here that y'all admire all the time. And a little Hershey's cocoa. Alright, we're going to do a 1/4 cup of that. This is where all that goodness comes in, all that chocolate. Yummy. Who don't like chocolate, right?
Right.
Right. Alright, I'm just going to give this just a little mix. And that's all for the dry ingredients, y'all. That's all it is to it. I'm just going to give this a little mix. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of just some whole milk in there. Sweet milk, whatever you want to call it. That's what they call it, just whole milk, sweet milk. Alright, look how easy. I've got me some biscuits in the oven, getting happy. So, about the time this is ready,
I'm going to be happy.
We're gonna both be happy. Alright, we're going to mix in this 2 cups of whole milk. Splash. Now we're going to give this a little stir. Just give it a little stir just like so. And I'm going to get my little pan hot back here for us to cook this down. Okay, y'all, I've got my pan good and hot here. We're just going to pour all this lovely goodness in. It's already looking good now, ain't it, Russell?
Yeah, man.
Shoo, yeah. Look at that. Now, I'm going to get all this
Ooh,
little goodness.
it's smelling good too, y'all. Oh my
really
goodness.
does.
As I got closer, I was like, ooh.
Yep, that big old whiff of chocolate right in your face. Honey, yes. Now, me and Russell was just talking about this, and this is not really a typical low country type of recipe. This is more our neck of the woods where we are now, which is you know, the foothills of South Carolina and
Appalachia
into North Carolina. That's exactly right. Don't y'all like my Christmas? My little Christmas doodad.
It'll be here, y'all. You know that.
It will. I use it all
Pumpkin spice
year.
is about to expire.
I use it all year. I'm telling you. I'll be singing. I woke up the other morning just singing Christmas songs. I said, dude, Lord, let me stop. But I do all year.
Turn the radio on. That'll be on in a couple of weeks.
It will. Sure will. And we're just going to cook this kind of slow. You just want it to simmer until it thickens up. Because once it gets thickened, we're going to add some butter and some vanilla. And that's just going to top it off. I learned my lesson, y'all, from using my little spatula going click, 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 click. Oh my goodness, that video got on my nerves. So I'm something with the noises that it bothers me. The older I get, honey, them noises, low.
Yeah.
I just can't handle it.
Yeah.
So I said, I'm going to be kind to y'all and not have all that nonsense going on. But I'm just going to stir this around. I'm going to check on my biscuits. They still looking good. They rising up, getting happy in there. But I'm just going to stir this around. Now, I don't have it on high. I don't have this blazing. We're just going to slowly cook it and thicken it up. So I'm just going to let it simmer for just a minute. And I'll show you how we finish it off. All right, y'all, this is what we're looking for right here. Look at this. Look how thick this is. See how it didn't take, I mean, I may have cooked this about 3 or 4 minutes. So, it's looking good.
Man.
And look how thick. It looks like chocolate pudding.
It does.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat off. And add a little butter. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Just going to put it in little pieces so you can just get it all whipped around here. And I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Y'all know how I measure with my heart. Right there.
How we looking on that vanilla over there?
Oh, we still got another whole bottle, but you know it'll be time to go a-cruising again.
Right. That's right.
When it's empty. All right, just gonna let this loosen up now, and that butter is just gonna finish it off. Make a shout. I'm telling you, it's good stuff.
Man.
Good stuff. Now, I am going to let this rest just a second. Let me look at my biscuits. Oh, these biscuits look like look at there. They look like they're ready for it.
Ooh, wee.
Good old biscuits.
Y'all.
It's so good.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
We about to throw down.
We're about to taste
what?
this. You ready for it, Russell?
I'm ready.
Alright. I'm going to get you a biscuit and some gravy ready, some chocolate gravy. Alright, y'all, we are done. It is tasting time. That took all of about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes. And the biscuits, if you're looking at them biscuits, I do have some biscuits that I have made before with that biscuit mix that I'm telling you, you cannot tell the difference.
I'll link.
Can't tell.
I'll link the sausage and gravy biscuits.
Yes.
Yeah.
So those biscuits were easy to whip up too. I did
they
those
were.
in 10 minutes or so, and it just took maybe about 12 to 15 minutes to cook. So quick and easy. Ready
That's how
for
I like
you.
it, y'all.
Ready for you, sir, to give
Yeah.
it a taste.
Yeah. And if you have leftover biscuits,
Yes.
this is like you got kiddos and
Yes.
you want something a little sweet. Y'all, hey, they'll eat them leftover biscuits. Even if they don't really like biscuits, you put this on them.
They will. Don't waste them.
That's right. Don't throw them
Don't
biscuits
waste
out.
them. They.
Ooh.
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you.
Get old hot biscuit. It's delicious. It really is.
A lot of people gonna say, well, that's chocolate sauce. Or
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's got that good gravy consistency.
It does. It's thick, creamy, almost like a pudding, but it's good. Nothing
Delicious. Man, that's good.
It is. Now you can put this on different stuff. This little chocolate gravy, you can put it on, you know, whatever, scone, some fruit, whatever you want to do with it. But you seen how easy it is, and just very little, ingredients.
I gotta go back for a little more of that.
I love things with just minimal ingredients. Just love it.
Ooh.
Treat yourself.
That speaks to your soul right there, y'all. I'm telling you.
Some goodness.
Yeah.
Yep. So
I love a lot of stuff over biscuits, but I'm gonna tell you that in there is hard to beat. I like honey, and I like all kind of stuff.
Me
Gravy.
too.
I can eat.
Syrup.
I can eat just a biscuit like this. Just about a meal for me. I could have a biscuit about every day.
It is, and like you said, use those leftover ones for the next day. Don't throw them out. Your kids, listen, they won't care you.
You put that on them, and they'll eat them. Them biscuits get gone.
They
I'm telling
will.
you, they will get gone in a hurry.
Yep.
They'll be asking, Ma, make us some more of that chocolate gravy.
Yes, and most people keep, you know, the cocoa mix and sugar and flour is things that you normally would have on hand for the most part. But so good, y'all. You have to try this one. Let me know what you think.
Old Mountain Peeps recipe.
Yep. That's right. Well, y'all, thank y'all for watching today, and big loves and hugs to you. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Until next time.